Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find someone on Telegram by username or ID. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, type the username of the person you're looking for. Make sure you enter the username correctly for the best search results. After typing the username, tap the search button or wait a moment for Telegram to display the results. You'll see a list of users whose usernames match or are similar to the one you entered. If you don't find the person immediately, tap on the See More option to view additional matching usernames. Scroll through the list and look for the correct profile. You can tap on any username to open the person's profile and confirm that you found the right account. If you know the person's exact username, it will be much easier to find them quickly. Keep in mind that Telegram searches by username, so if someone doesn't have a public username or you've entered it incorrectly, they may not appear in the search results. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.